your girl Eva K, and I'm back at it one more again, here with another wig review. Today, y'all, is gonna be a little different type of wig review though. So I wanted to bring you guys some color for spring, and I also wanted to bring you guys another wig reviewer. I'm sure many of you guys know who Miss Diamond Curls and Pearls is. My boo, my bae, my wig bae, Miss Kim. Y'all can feel the round of applause. Yes, I know, right? That's what I say. She is. I know she is. She is so super dope. Kim not only reviews wigs, she also plays in makeup as well. She's a little better at playing her makeup than I am, but I'm coming for you, Kim. I'm coming for you. She can definitely slay a wig, and she can definitely beat a face, boo. You understand? So make sure you guys go check out Miss Kim, Miss Diamond Curls and Pearls. Okay? Make sure y'all go check it out. At the end of this video, I'm going to leave her information down below in the description box. And I'm going to try to remember to put it in the little floating eye up top. Anyway, you guys, let's get down to the business. Alright? Y'all ready? You know, the packaging ain't all that. But when I tell y'all this color though, so this is the packaging that it came in. I have my computer right here because I ordered it on Amazon. And I'm gonna just read to you guys the deets of the wig, okay? So this wig is from DLME. It is a blue lace front wig with a natural hairline, middle part synthetic, long, straight, light blue wig. And it is all of 26 inches. Which is kind of weird because on the bag it says 29 inches. But anyway, y'all, this freaking wig is so soft. I'm running my fingers straight through it. While I have it out like this, I'm going to show you guys. This is Swiss lace. It has a 13x3 parting space. As you guys can see, the 13 goes the long way across and the 3 is going, you know, this way, going back. It comes with the middle part, and you really ain't gonna be able to move that part many places unless you have some kind of weird like diagonal part going on or something. Other than that, yeah, it's not enough parting space to really do like a side part. But we'll look at, maybe you can like turn it to the left or the right. But anyway, all right, so you also have your 2 side combs. You have 1 comb that will fall right about here in the middle of your head. And then you have no comb in the back. Wow. So no comb in the back. And you have your adjustable straps. Okay. Let's see. Let's play. Y'all ready to play? Y'all ready to play? Okay. Don't forget, like, comment, subscribe once again. And share this video with a couple of your homies, girls and boys. Hey, we don't discriminate around here. All right. Yes, y'all. I'm loving this freaking color. Like, it's a lavenderish blue. And it's just so gorgeous. Of course, it is a silky straight synthetic unit. So I'm not getting like any tangling as far as like running my fingers through it. But of course, you know, as I was putting on the unit and getting it straightened out on my head, it was getting a little tangled. But y'all, I am loving it. It is so soft. The density is really, it's a nice density. It's like, it has to be like 180. A little bit more about this wig. The circumference of, or the wig cap, is about 22.5 inches. Y'all, I don't believe that. My head is 23 inches. And when I say this is big head friendly, I had to put the adjustable straps as tight as they could go. They're like on, like I had to crisscross them almost. So it is way super big head friendly, sis. If this does not fit your head, then legit you have hydrocephalus, okay? You have a big waterhead. I'm sorry. You should go and get a doctor to look at that for you, okay? Okay, boom. Okay, it's all right though. It's all right. This wig is for you. Yeah. All right, so I paid about $40 for this wig. Like I said, the name of the company is DLME. I will try to remember to put a link down below if you guys are interested in buying the wig. Let's see. You know about the combs. Yeah. It is 180 density. Look at your girl. Yeah, came through. Yeah. Anyway, I'm going to cut this lace. Y'all, look at how... Look let me show y'all this headline for one. Look at that. Y'all, I got this wig from Amazon. Like, I'm shook. You understand? Like, Amazon is serving up this synthetic unit. I just cannot. Y'all, I can't. I can't. Look, even like, oh my freaking goodness, what? I'm so excited. Okay. All right. Let me show y'all how long it is. And I'll show y'all the back and everything too. So this is her all pulled to the front. I am 5'10", just for reference. It is falling right here to, that's my belly button. So right there. And then, let's see. This is the side. This is her to one side. Then we have her all to the back. How long is she? She's like right above my boot tag, right at my butt. Yep. And then this is the other side with her pulled all over to that side. Well, yep. Once again, for reference, I am 5'10". So yeah. Okay, let me get my pillows together here. Let's get this together. All right now. Y'all, I'm just so excited. All right, I'm gonna cut the lace off. Be right back. This wig gets a 9 out of 10 to me. The only reason I'm gonna give it a 9 is obviously because it's synthetic and it tangles. But other than it tangling, like, y'all, this wig is, I would even say it's beginner friendly. It is beginner friendly because it's so super easy. I mean, the hardest part was cutting the lace. And if you're a beginner, you don't even have to cut the lace on your head. You could take it off and you could put it on a canvas head or one of these heads you could get from your local beauty supply store for like $3, $3 to $5. Probably some of them might sell them for even $1. I know a lot of places sell them like, or they might throw it in for free if you buy a wig or whatever. So y'all, she gets a 9 out of 10. She tangles, she sheds, but not a whole lot. You can, if she's coming off kind of shiny, because in like real life she's not very, very shiny, but in the camera she's looking quite shiny to me. You can spray some dry shampoo on her. She is just a soft, beautiful baddie. You understand? She does not have a name. Drop a comment down below. Let me know what I should name her. What do you guys think? I think this is absolutely gorgeous. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and don't forget to go check out my girl Kim, Diamonds, Curls, and Pearls. What's up? I'm gonna leave her channel link down below in the description box. I'm gonna try to also remember to link her up in the eye in the sky. The big eye in the sky is actually on this side up here. As always, I love you guys. I thank you all for stopping by, checking me out, hanging out with me, and I pray God continues to cover you guys in the blood of Jesus and keep my baby safe and coming back to me every week. Love y'all.